You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many people get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are two different ways of pronouncing it in English, and that's because it comes from French. The British pronunciation is as cloche, cloche, which sounds really like the French pronunciation, cloche. However, in the US, it is not pronounced cloche, but rather cloche. Cloche for some reason. Cloche in American English or cloche in British. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps me immensely. Thanks for that, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.